Maggie joining us tonight. So Maggie, we are hopefully not going to experience any more rain this weekend. What do we have in store?
Not this weekend, I can go ahead and say that. We got a healthy 7 inches of rain, well near that over the past week. So our drought monitor has certainly improved. We'll have a look at that in just a few minutes. But first, guys, I want to show you the 3 things that you need to know right now. We've got mild temperatures this weekend, that's for sure. This dry weather pattern, it does continue for the short term, excuse me. But the week ahead, yeah, there's some rain in the forecast. Again, we will get to that, but my best advice is to get out and enjoy this beautiful weather and sunshine we've got on tap this weekend. So here's your live look around town right now. Listen, guys, if you are out late right now watching, or if you're going to be out late, you need a coat because we're dropping into those mid 40s overnight. It is going to be chilly out there. It's 49 right now. Winds, though, they were breezy just due to that cold front that moved through last night. Right now, they're calm. Northwest winds at 6 miles per hour. But since they're pushing from the north, we're ushering in really dry, crisp air, guys. That dew point has dropped down from the 50s this morning to 39 right now. And I always like to tell everyone 70 and above, that means we're at those tropical levels, very humid. And we have certainly been there many times this past summer in San Antonio, but 39 is actually very comfortable. So let's say hello to some of you. Good evening, San Antonio at 49, 46 for Bernie. Up into the hill country, we've got 50 for Rock Springs. Hey to everyone towards Beeville and Cotulla, we're in the mid 50s, dropping to 40s there as well later on tonight. Dew points, yeah, they stay comfortable really for the short term as well. Let's talk about those winds, because if you stepped outside this morning, you felt it. It was breezy, again, pushing in winds from the north, and they're going to stay pretty calm overnight too. So calmer conditions are ahead. I just want to show you where that really sharp trough is right now, pushing over Florida, that really dominated our area with a series of disturbances and rain. But what's behind it is what you see up here, making its way across the plains as we go ahead and put this thing into motion. What does that even mean for you? What is this upside down you? Well, it means for you and I that we've got really calm conditions ahead for the short term period. In fact, no rain is in the forecast really through Wednesday. So let's talk about your futurecast. Honestly, not too much to look at here. We've got clear skies, light winds overnight. That allows those temperatures to really drop low into those 40s. But then tomorrow, it's going to be yet another beautiful day with highs reaching those mid 60s yet again. Plenty of sunshine on tap. Let's talk about that futurecast, guys. Yeah, we do have some rain on the way. Drought monitor shows us we could still use a little bit more, but when this is all said and done with, it's not going to be very much. I'm thinking, honestly, this is generous, less than 1/10 of an inch. Next 12 hours, we've got 40. So if you're up early tomorrow morning, you're certainly going to need that coat. Here's a look at those temperatures. I have my eyes on Wednesday with that 70 degrees. Yeah, it should be nice until we head to Thursday when more showers start to factor into our region. Casey, nice suit over there.
I appreciate the praise. That's why I love have Maggie here on Saturday nights. Anyways,